Daily news, breaking news, everyday news on Prince Mila Entertainment TV. Remember, guys, to like, share, comment, and follow. Today is the 26th of April 2022. And so, guys, Panex then they take a Bulàwayo and yes, the Zimbabwe Republic Police has confirmed an accident that occurred in Bulàwayo after a commuter Omnibus Kombi collided with a haulage truck Tuesday morning. 6 people were killed and 11 others hospitalized. The Kombi was coming from Pumula South, carrying commuters when it collided with a moving heavy goods truck at the intersection of Kami Road and Masia Pambili, close to the Kulumane complex. National Police spokesperson Assistant Commissioner Ponyati said the ZRP confirms a fatal road accident which occurred at the intersection of Masia Pambili and Kami Road today at 5 a.m., where 6 people died while 11 others were injured. A non-Zupco Toyota Hiace Kombi with 17 occupants went through a red robot traffic light and rammed into a moving truck before it was trapped between the horse and the trailer and dragged for about 30 meters. Just imagine, guys. The Kombi landed on its roof. 6 people were already dead when the Bulàwayo Fire Brigade arrived at the scene at 5:55 a.m. 10 minutes after getting the call. A spokesman said the spokesperson said the brigade extracted the trapped and the commuter omnibus was turned to stand on its wheels using a winch. 3 ambulances ferried the injured to Mpilo Central Hospital. Kombis are banned from carrying commuters except for those registered with the monopoly transporter Zupco, but the government's failing public transport system forces many to use mshikashika and licensed transporters to get to work. And so, guys, talking and matambudziko and to those people who passed away and in this accident, 6 of them, and our former Kusen today in Bulàwayo, and this Kombi engere mushikashika and zvikunzi driver across a red robot pakaipa. It said and those who are in hospital tongoti mokwanisa kupora and nekukasika. And it's so sad, man. In accident ike haikutyisa ndisika irikutyisa. It's because of bad driving and our drivers emazuva ano havachakwanise kutedzera mitemo yemumaroad and munhu achimhanya oshawa kuti ari kumhanyira kupi and so please be careful, please ngatiteedzere mitemo yemaroad aumana. Our roads are bad. Maroad edu agara ari bad. At the same time, we are also contributing to ma-accidents ari kuitika. Even ese kwacho kune maroad akanaka, ma-accidents anongoitika, it's because of bad driving, people ignoring ma-signs emaroad and so tongozorera murugare kune vaise vashaya in this accident. Zvino zvinongorwadza so kuzongonzwa phone call yakusongorira kuti pane kombi yaita accident apa mai vanonge vabuda makuseni vachienda kunohodha kana kuti vaenda kubasa uzongonza mai ashaya. Zvino zvinongorwadza so mana, zvino zvinongorwadza, and I feel for those families who have lost their loved ones in this accident which happened in Bulàwayo, and also other accident which happened early this morning again in Harare ku side huko. And yes, driver angatry kuda kupfura train isati yapfura zvisinei, anga achimhanya achitry kuda kupfura, I don't know, I don't understand kuti anga achizviitirei. The driver is reckless. Ndiri kunzi driver acho mupenyu haana kufa, but people died and anga ari 5, 2 died on the spot because of this accident, because of carelessness. So tongodzorera murigare kune vashaya and so we need to obey, we need to be very careful maroad atinge tiri. Remember kuti kana uri kombi driver, uri driver vemotikari mushikashika, of course you're hustling, at the same time une upenyu hwanhu maoko ako and saka ngatisaive vanhu reckless because dabata time. Guys, daily news, breaking news, everyday news on Prince Entertainment TV. Thank you very much for listening and watching. Remember to like, share, comment and follow and turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss any of our new uploads that we do upload here on this channel. Bless up. Synesthetic.